Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with a new releases. It's a very exciting new release. So I actually wanted to go over the April freebies with you because I totally forgot to do that prior like AA last week. But as per always, the $150 freebie is a foil bundle and the $300 freebie is a ultimate kit. And then the $75 freebie is this really cute selection of doodles and scribblers and, well, not scribblers, but characters. And they're epic, they're beautiful, they're everything. And for my birthday month, I wanted to pick all of my faves and some that aren't even in the shop. So there's like the birthday cake, the ACOTAR books, the balloons aren't in the shop. This one here that has a bunch of different books as well. The Taylor Swift CDs. I don't know if those books are in the shop either yet, but super cute. Love that. So it's a $75 freebie through the month of April. And then the freebie in all orders is this. It has the journaling card with Pokemon on the front. So you got Ash and Pikachu, as well as the normal 4 pieces of foil in there. So those are the April freebies. So you can get your hands on those, place an order within April in the dollar amounts. Again, this is for all orders, 75 plus, 150 plus, which a random foil bundle, and $300 plus, which is a random ultimate kit. Let's go ahead and get into the releases. We do have a pop mystery this week, which I think is going to be probably like a top favorite. So let's go into the first thing here, which, speaking of my birthday, for my birthday month, I'm going to be releasing a new vinyl every week. This one here is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And this is of the Taylor Swift CDs. And it is perfect perfection. You can put this on your water bottle. You can put it on your car if you want to. You can put it on your laptop. You could put it anywhere. You could use it as a die cut. It is, I'm trying to like get the, it is like clear on the edges. It's not white. Oh my goodness. Oh, just trust me, but the nails are not good for this. Okay, yeah. You can see the edge is clear and it has all of the CDs on it. I thought that'd be really cute. And again, I'm going to be releasing a new vinyl every week. They are limited, so definitely get your hands on it this week. And then we do have another new color this week. This is mint green, which is a really pretty green for spring and summer. It has all of the normal sheets with the scribbler sheet in the back. I'll go ahead and show you. And this will be on special pricing along with the foil bundles through Sunday. Where is it? It's very cute. How stinking cute is this? It's like the perfect mint. It just reminds me of ice cream. That's my favorite way to consume mint, but very excited about this one. It'll be great for all of the spring summer vibes. The next thing we have is the foil bundles, and I kind of like had these like in my, like I was looking through what we have like ready to collate, and I thought these would be good for this week. Like I thought this would look really cute. The daisy with this, with the pink, and then also with this kit here, I thought it'd be really pretty. And then this would look really great, I think, with the pop mystery. But let's go ahead and show you the foil bundles. So the first one here, and these again will be on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern. All these releases drop through Sunday. I also just want to let you know, this next mystery I feel like is going to be like a very big fan favorite. So if you are not signed up for the mystery, please do so, because it is just going to be epic, perfection, amazing. So you've been warned. So first thing here is we do have this one, which is a daisy foil bundle. And this is in a really pretty, it's like a sparkly rose color. I don't know how else to explain it. It's like, I don't know. It's like a pinkish orange. Does it make sense? Like maybe sparkly or like confetti coral. I kind of like the name confetti coral. What do you think? It's super pretty. Confetti coral might be it. It's just like a really interesting color of pink. I'm trying to find something like what I could like put another pink near it so you can see. It's like a corally, like an orangey pink. Let me know if you have any other suggestions, but maybe confetti coral is the best option. So you have your full boxes and glitter headers there. You have your underlays, your new icons with the scripts, and then this has the whole reinforcers, the date glitter header covers. I don't know what I'm talking about. Glitter header covers? Is that what we call them? Glitter header covers? Glitter headers? Overlays? Glitter header over. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing today. Glitter header covers. Maybe. I don't know. It's been a long one, y'all. It's been a long one. All right. And then we have a star foil bundle in matte bronze. This will go with so much, honestly. So much. This is in the format with the headers being all these headers. Had it for a little bit. So you have your full boxes, the star underlays, the new scripts with the scripts, and then the bottom washi page glitter header covers. Glitter header overlays. I don't know. All right. Those are the new foil bundles. Those will be in the new release section. So let's go ahead and get into the kits this week. So this one here is Surfs Up, which just makes me want to go to Hawaii. It is so stinking pretty. So pretty. I love the sand and like the ocean and the waves, and I love the Hawaii license plate. I think it's so pretty, but it's just like a quintessential, that yellow is so fun, quintessential summer kit. Let me actually show you the extra color because I think that it's very fun, the 2 extra colors. So these are the 2 extra colors if you are wondering, but I think this is gonna be a really fun set for summer. I love that Be Happy. It's so cute. The patterns are really fun as well. I love this like blue kind of like water pattern. It's like one of my favorite patterns I've seen in a while. And I also love this one, the one with the turtles. I also love the pattern box. You'll see. I love these patterns the artist says. I love these turtles in the water. I just think they're so cute. And it's just going to be such a good spread. You have the little tall box. At first I was like, maybe I'll use this in my off-camera planner. But honestly, the more I look at it, the more I fall in love with it. I think it's so stinking pretty, but then I'm like, do I save it for whenever I go to Hawaii eventually, or do I just use it this summer because it's so cute and the vibes are just immaculate. They really are. Also comes in a mini kit, of course. Like I said, there is the 2 label samplers. They're so pretty. Definitely going to be pulling those in. There is the 2 doodle pages. There is a fashion if you want to add those on, the regular label sampler, the ombre heart checklist, the pattern boxes. Like, these are annoyingly cute. Like, I would just need to find all of the summer overlays just for how cute these patterns are. There were so many good ones, and I just love those. I think they're so cute. And then we do have these 6 scribbler pages as well. So that's everything for Surfs Up. I think this is going to be like a quintessential, everybody needs it summer kit. It's just so pretty. Even if you're not going to the beach, I'm not going to the beach. I'm using it for the vibes. I just think it is perfection. I feel like my nails match this. So stinking cute. Obsessed. Love it. Then I was going through all of, like, I have a big folder of art that I've bought that I just haven't used. And I saw this art, and I think it came out like a little later last year. And I was like, oh, I don't really have time, but I'm going to buy it because I like it, and then I'll just use it next year. And this one is World's Best Mom, which is a really cute, like, Mother's Day. But I feel like it also could be, like, a mom birthday set or just, like, your vibing kind of set. I think it's super cute. I love the fam options. I think they're really the shining stars of the show is the fams, but a really nice kind of like peaceful, serene, chic, sophisticated, but still kind of like minimal Mother's Day set, which is super cute. I love these colors. You have like the peachy color. Well, let me show you the, I feel like this would look really pretty with this, like really sparkly and shiny. The coral, not the coral, the peach, and then you have like a, I guess like a nude, a pink, and then this one's more coral and this one's more tangerine. So stinking pretty. And then the freebie is the box that's on the front and the different skin tone options, which is like a baby holding a book, which I feel like is just like one of the most realistic full boxes, is just like having a kid in between your legs while you're trying to drink coffee. Is very mom vibes. So that is the ultimate kit. And let me show you the add-on options. You have Doodle, you have Doodle 2, as well as, where's the regular label? You have label 2 and label. So this is a little bit of like a lighter tangerine color. I don't really know. And then you have the ombre, you have the patterns, you have all of the scribblers, and then you do have fam options, which are super duper cute. Like, I'm obsessed. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and I just think that they are so cute. I love the like mom, or it could be like a grandma and like an older kiddo. You got options. You got many things there. So then, my friends, is World's Best Mom. And then I'm going to go into the pop mystery. If you don't want to see the pop mystery, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the flyby, I'll give you the flyby real quick. Ready, set. That was a quick flyby. But let's get into this. I am obsessed with the way this turned out. I need a drink. This is the burrow. First of all, and this would be so fun with the matte bronze stars, but I also do have Harry Potter foil left. So if you want to order that when you order this, like place your order and then message me and I can add the Harry Potter foil to your order. Just let me know. But I think that the matte bronze stars is probably what I'm going to go with. Honestly, I think it's going to be so stinking cute. But this is the burrow. So it is the Weasleys. You do have the car, and then you got Molly and Arthur and Ron. You have Scabbers, a little wand, and then the self-washing kind of pan situation. And then you have Ginny over there. And then the house, which I thought would look so good as a tall box too. So you have options there as well. But I think this turned out so stinking cute. I love that it's like little Ron. I don't know. I'm just like obsessed. And then you have Fred and George, because obviously you had to. And I just think it turned out so, so good. I did do the papers myself, which was, I don't know. I feel like I'm just not good at, I'm not good at things, but I think they turned out really cute. Like for me doing them, you know what I'm saying? So stinking cute. And then I thought this looked kind of like her little, like crochet situation with the like inside of the house box. And again, the tall box. So that, my friends, is the burrow, which I was going to call Weasley, but I thought the burrow was cute too. So I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I think it's perfect, and I couldn't be happier with it, honestly. It definitely gives me, like, very anytime, maybe not winter if you're going based on the season, but I feel like it could be spring. I feel like it could be summer. I feel like it could be fall. Like, it's just that energy. Also does come in a mini kit. Let me show you the add-on options. So you do have both of the doodles as well as the label. And then there is 2 more colors if you want to add those on. I did do a gray and a blue, so you could either swap those out or add them in. And I think this gives like more of like a fall energy, but I think could be anytime, but I feel like if you want to switch out one of these colors or even that, it could go more like summer. But again, there's no rules. That's the cool part. And then you have the ombre, you have the patterns. So you have the 2 patterns. Then I kind of did like closer ups of these to add quotes to. And then you also do, of course, have the scribblers as well. And that will be available Wednesday through Sunday. Y'all, it's a good one. I might need to like bring an extra one home because I am kind of obsessed. I just think it is so stinking cute. So as far as Wednesday through Sunday goes, these will be on special pricing, and then this will be available then as well. We also will have Surf's Up and World's Best Mom, as well as the new vinyl, and I'm so excited for this one. I hope y'all love it. I'm a big old Swiftie, so I thought it'd be fun for my birthday to do something a little bit different, and there will be a 10-year kit. I'm super excited about it. I've been saving the art for like, I think it's over a year at this point, maybe a year and a half. Honestly, it might be even 2 years. I feel like 2 years wouldn't even be a wild guess. I've been saving the art, so I'm very excited to finally release it. I think y'all are going to love it. And yeah, and also the April freebies. I just wanted to make sure I showed you those. I think that's everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to sign up for the mystery if you are not signed up already, because this one is excellent. Excellent. So good. It was actually Kirsten's idea, and I wouldn't have thought of it, and it's just such a good idea. And it's summer, could be end of summer, could be fall. And it's very aesthetic, I think. It's just so good. It's just a vibe. So, and the foil is did I reformat this? Yep, is a new format bundle that I think that y'all are going to be really excited when I release the extras of. And it does have the whole reinforcers. I'm looking at it right now. But yeah, that is everything for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.